Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are. I hope that you are having a fantastic day so far. Today, we are bringing you straight to Munggu, a serene gem just west side of Peredaran, about 8-10 minutes drive away. We have an incredible property to show you, and I promise this one stands out. My name is Bagus with Bali Real Estate Consultants. Buckle up and let's start the journey. The charm of this house greets you the moment you step inside, with a well-manicured garden that flanks the pool, opening up to the vast, beautiful sky. The hanging plants along the wall seamlessly integrates the property with its natural surrounding. This property spans 2 levels, offering a total of 470 square meters of living space. On the first level, you'll find the main living room, a kitchen, and of course an adjoining dining area. There is also one bedroom located straight across from the living room. Upstairs, additional bedrooms await. But before we head there, let me point out one of the standout features, the double height ceiling. It not only creates a sense of openness, but also offers a glimpse into the second level. Adding to the elegance is this stunning chandelier that hangs gracefully above the space. As we move to the second level, let's take a moment to appreciate this floating staircase, a design element that's as functional as it is stylish. On this level, there's a spacious area between the stairs to the sitting zone, complete with a TV, mirroring the same setup that you can find on the first level. Beyond this glass panel is the second bedroom, complete with its own ensuite bathroom. There's a king-size bed as its centerpiece and thoughtfully selected furnishing. This room offers a view of the sitting area, although privacy is easily achievable by these blinds. The third and final bedroom is located just across this hallway, and like the others, it is fully equipped, featuring both functionality and comfort. Now, cherry on top of this bedroom is the balcony, offering a stunning view over the garden as well as the surrounding area. One last feature worth mentioning is the outdoor sitting area located on the second level. From here, you can take in panoramic views over the surrounding rice fields and even the mountain in the distance. To recap, this property boasts 500 square meters of freehold land, an incredible rarity, along with 470 square meters of living space spread over 2 levels. It is a true turnkey home ready for you to move in and start living your dream. If you're interested, don't hesitate to reach out using the contact details below. Thank you for joining me on this tour. And as always, leave a like, comment what's your favorite part about this property, and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos from us. My name is Bagus, and I'll see you in the next tour.